It's you, Danielle.
Me?
Yes.
So why don't just do the video by yourself?
If I could, I would.
You can. Come.
No,
yeah,
no,
okay.
no.
Do
Sit,
it.
no, sit,
do
no.
it by yourself.
Alright, we're done. Just sit now.
No.
Sit. By the title, you don't know what's going down right now. We are going to shoot for a new channel right now, guys. But I have came up with a brilliant idea to prank Danielle. Yes, to prank her. I'm going to be very annoying. Hashtag annoying right now. Spam Team Chad right now. What we're about to do is shoot for another channel right now, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna be like very annoying by telling let's repeat it, let's start over. Let's see how she reacts. Smash the like button. If you guys haven't subscribed to the second channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Description down below. I'm just gonna wait for it to come right now, guys, so we can start shooting this video. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, okay? Smash the like button again for Team Chad, okay? Spam the comment section Team Chad, because Team Chad will win all day, every day. Alright, let's get started in this video, okay? Alright. Alright, everything look good. You can see yourself?
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright, here we go. Okay. Alright, ready? One.
Come on.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wagwan subbies! No. Remember, we're doing it for the second channel, so we can't say Wagwan subbies, don't drag it out too long. Just say Wagwan subbies.
Hold on, I keep turning.
And I remember, so we have to say welcome after dark.
Welcome.
After hours. After hours. I keep saying after dark, but yeah, after hours, you know what I mean. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wagwan subbies! Oh. sorry. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wagwan subbies!
Chad!
Alright, sorry. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Wagwan subbies! Welcome to Danny and Chaddy After Dark.
After hours.
Alright, sorry.
Oh my god, what's wrong with you?
Alright,
Okay,
ready? You said the after dark.
No,
I mean the after hours.
You say it.
Babe, say no, cause
No,
I'm gonna
but
mess
you
up.
normally say it.
I'm gonna mess up, for real. I'm gonna mess up. Just say no.
Okay.
Ready? Wagwan subby!
Oh, sorry, that was me.
No, I didn't really count those, it's my fault.
Okay, ready?
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Wagwan subbies! Welcome to
Danny and Chaddy After Hours!
After Hours! So you don't know what's going on right now, guys. We are going to tell you guys some topics right now.
Well, we're going to talk about some topics right now.
And we have a lot of topics to talk about for you guys, okay? But before we do that, you have to smash the like button, subscribe to Danny and Chaddy forever.
No! Danny and Chaddy After Hours!
We need to do it again.
You don't know the name of your channel?
We need to do it again.
Oh my god. Okay,
sorry.
come.
Alright, ready? Me keep on a mess up, sorry.
Go.
It's just that me not feel the energy for you, Danielle.
Chad, come, let's go.
Me not
Okay,
feel the
okay,
energy.
let's go.
Ready? Ready? Just pump up.
Let's go.
Ready? 1. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wagwan subbies! Welcome to
Danny and Chaddy After Hours!
I think I was mumbling your words a while ago.
No! God, please, no! No!
Alright, sorry. I'm sorry, it's my fault.
Okay, come.
You messed up the first. Why?
Chad, come on,
Why you
man.
mess up the
We
first
don't have
one?
all night.
Because if you never mess up the first.
Chase is gonna get miserable. Come, let's go.
Alright.
Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wagwan subbies! Welcome to
Danny and Chaddy After Hours!
Alright, so I need you guys to go ahead and smash the like button right now for another video for you guys on this channel right here, right now. Make sure you subscribe to be a part of the family, you know, and we're gonna bring you topics every day.
So today we're gonna be talking about relationship, well, wait, sorry.
Jesus Christ.
Got him!
And it did go perfect a while ago. I'm telling you.
Alright, come. After you stopped like 500 times, that's like one time for me.
What was that, Danielle?
What was that from all the other ones you just did?
I was perfect in all of them.
You were perfect in all of them? Really?
It's over.
Let's watch it over. Let's watch it over. Ready.
Whatever, let's go. Let's go. Ready? All you do is burn up the battery.
I'm burning out the battery, and it's you that take over like 500 times.
You know how much memory I waste right now?
You don't even know the name of the channel. You said Danielle and Chaddy After Dark.
If you don't know.
Oh, I corrected you. Alright, make sure you do it good.
Alright, I will say that after.
Make sure you do it good.
Alright, I'll say that after.
Go. Go.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Wagwan subbies! You don't know it's Danny and Chaddy After Dark. Jesus Christ. Alright, sorry. Alright, you win. Alright, ready?
This is like 1 hour just to start this video.
Alright, ready?
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3. Wagwan subbies! Welcome to Danny and Chaddy After Hours, where we bring you topics and we answer your topics.
What? We bring you topics and we answer your topics?
I was waiting for you to say something and I had to say it. Huh? It's I'm always saying everything and you're just not saying anything.
Oh my god, come on. Let's come get through the intro. Let's get through the intro.
This don't make no sense, yeah, man.
Anyways, let's go. I have things to do. Come on.
Alright.
Ready? Last time. Let's just go straight.
1, 2, 3. Wagwan subbies.
Don't be annoying.
It's just like you're not doing nothing, Danielle.
I'm not doing anything.
Look how Mr. Wagwan subbies, you like in a TV, away from me to say, just say it 1, 2, 3, I'm saying it.
And you're the one that keep messing up? Can you go straight through? Let's go straight through because you can't go straight through. We did this intro like 15 times.
We didn't even start the video and it's already 5 minutes into
because
the
you
video.
keep messing up the intro.
Me, it's you!
Me! One time I mess it up.
You always mess up, Danielle.
Oh my God!
It's you, Danielle.
Me.
Yes.
So why don't just do the video by yourself?
If I could, I would.
You can.
No.
Do it.
No, sit
do it by yourself.
Alright, we're done. Just sit now.
No,
sit.
do it by yourself.
I apologize. I love you, I apologize. Can you just sit?
You're annoying. Come, let's go. Let's go. One time, one go.
Yeah, we start from the top again.
No! Oh my god!
Alright. Are you ready?
Ready.
Alright. 1. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wagwan subbies! Welcome to Danny and Chaddy After Hours, where we bring you topics. You're supposed to answer right after that.
You didn't even finish where we bring you topics.
And you supposed to relate after. That's what we just talked about. Didn't we just talk about that?
I'm done. We shouldn't do videos today. Let's do it another day because you can't get it together.
Babe, it's not me. No, I'm just trying to explain to you.
Oh, it's me. You're being really annoying.
You're supposed to answer right after me. Come.
Okay,
let's get the intro right. Let's just get the intro right.
Oh my god.
When we get down the intro, we can start the conversation.
Okay, let's go. You see, you're gonna make changes.
That's not me, that's you.
You're annoying me.
Okay.
Let's go. 1,
2, 3. Wagwan subbies!
Alright, I'm done.
I apologize. That was my mess up.
All of them are.
The words aren't coming out. I'm sorry.
All of them are.
I'm sorry.
Got him!
Can you just sit?
This is the last time.
Can you just sit?
Last time.
Why it has to be the last time? Are we doing this?
Come on, let's go.
Why you have to be some miserable?
Let's go! Because Chase gets in.
We should put him in the video. Start it like that. Chasey, come.
You wanna come in the video? You gonna come in the video?
I don't know why you're messing up so much.
Me!
Okay, I apologize for the last time you messed up. That was my fault.
The last time, or all the times, except one time that I mess up.
Babe, you mess up more than once, babe.
Once!
Babe, you mess up more than once.
One time.
Yeah, babe.
What's wrong with you today?
I am fine.
You're fine?
I am fine. It's you not fine.
Oh, it's me.
Because I tell you, you're not relaying off of what I say. You're just going like that, like you're blank.
Chase,
didn't we have a program that we're running?
Chase, your father has obviously lost it. Yes. Kick him because something's wrong with him.
Curry man. Curry man. Curry man. Alright, ready?
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Alright. These Chase ready?
Chase is going.
Chase wants to go down on the ground.
Okay, ready?
I love you. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Walk on subbies! Welcome to Danny and Chaddy After Hours, where we bring you topics and we... Jesus Christ.
And we...
Done. You're supposed to answer when I say and we. Didn't we just talk about that? Didn't we just talk about that, babe? Didn't we just talk about that?
You cannot just say and we.
Oh my god. Danielle.
You're annoying.
Danielle, you're just wasting the memory of this camera.
You are wasting the memory of this camera.
It's you. Alright. When I say and we, alright, let me say where we bring new topics and then you answer after that.
Can you get it together?
Alright, can we start from there?
Can you get it together?
Can we start from there?
Get it together.
Can we start from there?
Yes, go.
Alright.
Because you're annoying. You're
I'm
very annoying.
Why are you being miserable now?
Come on!
Why are you being miserable?
Oh my god!
Why you have to be like that? Why you have to be like that? Alright, I'm done. I'm not even want to do this one.
Yeah, let's do it another day.
I don't want it no more.
Okay, good. Let's go.
Can we do the video? Why you have to get up?
Oh my god, you're annoying!
Alright.
Dealing with Danielle or dealing with you. 1 minute you want to say something, the next minute I must say it. The other minute you want to say something, the next minute I should be saying it. You don't even know what you're saying.
It's just that you don't acknowledge what I asked you to say after me. When we bring you topics, you answer right after that.
Answer say what?
And we give you our opinions on it.
Oh, now you tell me what you want to say, because now you don't even know what you wanted to say. Oh my god. You're annoying.
You are very irritating.
You're irritating. Oh my god.
This is the first time it has reached to a point of doing a video like this.
I've
never experienced this video.
Yeah, you need to get it together.
Why are you behaving like
You
that?
need to get it together. Get it together today. I don't know what's wrong with you, but
Oh
just
my
get it together.
god. You're
Come on,
giving me a migraine.
let's go.
My brain is not functioning now.
Okay, well, break time.
Why are you getting up after the video? Come on.
The brain is not functioning.
Can you sit down?
Oh my god. You're annoying me.
Alright, ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1. Walk on subbies! Welcome to Danny and Chaddy, where Danielle gets pranked today.
You're annoying. Oh my god.
Hold on, guys.
Jesus.
I was just seeing how long I could go with Danielle. Look here. Yes, Chase, I got her. Danielle, would you like to explain?
You're annoying.
Yeah. Look, in the arms of a prank, you got pranked.
You're really annoying. Like you're off the scale annoying.
Do you have energy to do the video now?
No.
Alright, we're going to take a minor break here.
Jesus.
We are going to do this video for you guys, so make sure you subscribe to the next channel.
This is the most annoying I've ever seen him. You don't even know what he's saying, you don't know what he's doing.
I was just trying to be extra annoying.
You succeeded. You were extra.
Why did it succeed?
Yeah, you were extra.
I can't believe I kept going.
Even you laughing is annoying me now.
Oh, my belly bottom. Alright guys, love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. Make sure you go subscribe to this channel as well, guys. Love you guys. And we'll see you guys another time, alright? Just make them know, Danielle. Team Chad all day, every day, and we revenge you, okay? Okay, just say it. I want to hear it. Team Chad, just hear it.
Team Danielle.
Good. Alright guys, love you guys. Peace.